Metal finishing, the shine and sheen of industry in India. A glittering trade that is literally transforming the face of several key manufacturing and engineering domains. Marking close to 4 glorious decades and with over 1,000 members and counting, the Metal Finishers Association of India, MFAI, has been supporting India's epic metal finishing industry in more ways than one. MFAI is a premier body of professional electroplaters and metal finishers. Established as a registered body in 1973 by a group of dedicated electroplaters in the city of Mumbai, the association has grown steadily and steadfastly with significant contributions to the growth of India's economy in its own humble way. The association consists of great diversity in membership, with representation in the form of various sectors of electroplating and metal finishing firms, research organizations, chemical manufacturers, laboratories and academic institutions.
ISF provides a unique opportunity for the surface finishing industry to interact with peers, suppliers and OEM. I sincerely thank Metal Finishing Association of India for organizing this event. My best wishes for a grand success of ISF 2014.
The association aims to provide optimal benefits to its members and the industry. Located at the heart of Mumbai's industry, in the suburb of Goregaon East of the Western Express Highway, MFAI's swanky 2300 square feet coordination office serves as a base for the organization. It is a well-equipped space with state-of-the-art infrastructure required to facilitate business and ensure smooth functionality. It serves as a venue for meetings, conferences and discussions of the patrons. An information center and library are also hosted in the space.
Consolidated Metal Finishing is honored to be associated with MFAI in sponsoring the ISF 2014 event. MFAI has done a commendable job in the past, and I am certain that ISF 2014 will also be a landmark event. I would like to congratulate MFAI and applaud the efforts of every individual responsible to make this event a reality. I wish you the best of luck and ISF 2014 to be a grand success.
At the core of MFAI is the governing committee comprising 23 dedicated members. From the very onset, the charter has been that of a social enterprise, undertaking the responsibility of managing and facilitating the Indian metal and electroplating industry. As a representative of India's metal and electroplating industry on a world platform, the association is responsible for ensuring that there is international standard and quality and the awareness of latest technologies and advancements. With this, one can reap maximum benefits individually and prosper collectively. The association is committed to providing a common national forum for metal finishers, industrialists, designers and professionals. It supports knowledge sharing, thereby fostering the advancement of surface engineering, especially the niche aspect of plating science and technology. There is also promotion of activities like seminars, technical talks, intensive training workshops, industrial visits and more. There is also the participation as a member or affiliate of international associations or institutions with similar aims.
Grauer and Weil's association with MFAI for the last 40 years has been a very heartening one, and we look forward to participating in the next seminar being held by MFAI in 2014.
MFAI organizes exhibitions and conferences of international repute every 3 years. MFAI strongly vouches for environmental responsibility. It encourages manufacturers and users to contribute by minimizing waste, using cleaner technology, and rightly treating the effluents.
We are privileged to be associated once again with this premier event. GTZ is committed to deliver the latest technology in metal finishing to the Indian customer. we extend our very best wishes to the MFAI team on this momentous occasion.
The association has organized over 400 technical meetings and over 100 seminars on a range of technical and management themes.
We have been participating in the exhibition and conferences of MFAI since many years, and we are very happy with the exhibition conducted by MFAI. Our sincere thanks goes to them.
In the year 1997, the association organized its first international congress on electroplating and metal finishing in India. Eminent experts from all over the world were part of this productive event. The second international conference and exhibition was organized successfully in November of 2002. And the highlight, Indian Surface Finishing 2006, a mega event held in February 2006 at the Bombay Exhibition Centre in Mumbai. ISF 2011, held in Mumbai, provided a platform for direct interaction between manufacturers, equipment suppliers, researchers, application engineers and end users. It provided an excellent opportunity to expand the horizon of business. MFAI is pleased to announce the Indian Surface Finishing 2014 Conference and Exhibition from Jan 29th to 31st, 2014 at Bombay Convention and Exhibition Centre. The organizing committee extends an invite to one and all for ISF 2014, exhibitors or visitors or conference delegates. Whether one is engaged in automotive, electrical, electronics, fasteners, hardware, jewelry, cutlery, plastics, aluminium finishing, nuclear, space, paints, coating sectors or any other industry connected to surface finishing, design or marketing. It is a place where exhibitors can showcase their products, processes and services, and scientists and researchers from industrial research centers, national laboratories, universities and other institutions can present papers on ongoing developments.
I wish and appeal to all who are involved in our industry, whether corporate supply houses or electroplaters, to support MFAI in their endeavors to raise the metal finishing standards of India to a global level. I wish MFAI all the very best for its magnanimous and successful ISF 2014.
The ISF 2014 seeks to provide connectivity to pioneer new partnerships for growth and sustainability for the future. ISF is evolving, adapting and redefining possibilities.
Metal finishing exhibitions are an excellent platform to showcase Ronak and its products and to meet all concerned with the industry. Due to the ISF, all come together under one roof. The ISF 2014 will be a tremendous success as it has been in earlier years.
Firstly, one can participate and position one's business on a global stage under the MFAI spotlight. Secondly, business-to-business benefits, like showcasing products directly to a high-caliber audience. Then of course, the immense exposure with over 10,000 professional, retailers and analysts from all over India. And finally, a wide range of exhibition space and a strategic location. The MFAI team extends a cordial hand and invites all industry patrons to become a part of MFAI. It is a simple process coupled with great business benefits. In today's highly interrelated world of industry and commerce, a renewed vision of progress is based on shared purpose and commitment. Thus, by working collaboratively, we will truly advance.
Our goal is to provide a common forum for metal finishers, industries,
designers and professionals to meet and foster the advancement of surface finishing and technology in our country.
Come be a part of the electroplating and metal finishing fraternity by associating with MFAI and enhancing your endeavors. The Metal Finishers Association of India Discover an ever-growing industry with unlimited possibilities.